Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate ko Beshis, kamusta po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Virgo at ang mga bago po nating viewers. Tignan po natin kung ano yung mensahe na gustong iparating sa iyo, Virgo, sa pagbasa na to. We have receptive and spiritual. So, yung sinasabi po dito yung receptive is, handa ka, no? Handa kang tanggapin yung kung ano man yung dadating sa iyo o yung destiny mo. Handa mong yakapin o tanggapin yung destiny mo, no? Parating sa iyo. And of course, spiritual is, itong destiny mo is something to do with a spiritual journey. Kung ba ito yung umpisa na o nagbibigay sa iyo ng advice o pahiwatig na there will be something very spiritual na may encounter mo when it comes to this relationship, or yung sabihin natin yung magiging faith mo when it comes to dito sa magiging takbo ng iyong buhay. Okay? So, tingnan natin sa tarot kung ano yung mababasa nating energy. Maganda to kasi, Pisces, you are very open, no? You're ready to receive what fate has planned for you. Kaya kung ba maganda yung pasok ng energy kasi hindi mo kinukontra, hindi mo to kung ba pinag-iisipan ng matagal. Kung hindi, kung ano man yung dumating sa'yo o bigay sa'yo ni God, tinatanggap mo ng maluwag at gagawin mong lahat para maging maganda ito o maayos. We have the Ace of Swords, the Hangman, the Page of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Page of Wands. Yung bottom niya is the Strength. Virgo, ang parang overall energy dito is something to do with you being very courageous, no? Matapang, malakas ang loob, harapin ang future, ang kinabukasan, which is something to do with receptive, no? Yung sabi ko nga na handa ka na tanggapin kung ano man ang dumating sa iyong buhay. Maybe because you being Virgo, you are always prepared, no? Lagi kang handa. Piniprepare mo yung sarili mo for any eventuality or anumang dumating na pagsubok sa buhay mo. Mapapersonal, career, pera, love life, health, etc. Okay? Kaya you have this parang energy of the strength card, no? Kasi binibigay mo to ito yung enerhiya na pinapakita mo within you na kaya mo to kung ano man yung dumating sa buhay mo. And alam mo na there will be ups and downs sa buhay. Hindi naman siya all the way straight or plateau ang ating buhay. Meron talagang pagkakataon o panahon na nasa taas tayo at meron din pagkakataon na nasa baba tayo. Kahit ano pang sitwasyon ang iyong pasukan, alam mo na pagtatrabahuhan mo to ng mabuti. You will work very hard for it para maging maayos at mabalanse yung buhay mo. Okay? Which is very you. No? Ikaw to, Virgo. That's the way you parang operate or work. Now, naging problema mo sa past. This is the Ace of Swords. Maybe it has something to do with communication or telling the truth or being open and honest. Maybe to a relationship or a person na na-meet mo in the past. Na sabihin natin na hindi mo na kuha sabihin ang lahat-lahat o ang katotohanan, o you weren't given the opportunity to open up, to say things in a personal level dito sa person na to. And somehow there would be a sort of a parang regret kasi bakit hindi ko nagawa, ba't di ko nasabi. Kayang-kaya ko naman yun gawin. But something have hold you back. Merong pumigil sa'yo. It could be a situation or maybe you're too busy kasi ang priority mo is, I would say, something to do with work, something to do with money, or something to do with maybe family or yung career. No? It could be anything. And dahil doon, nakita mo na it became a challenge for you. Kasi dahil hindi ka nagsabi o hindi ka nagsalita, hindi nalaman nung person mo kung ano yung talagang tunay mong damdamin, dahil tinago mo to, kinipkip mo sa iyong dibdib, sa iyong puso. Walang naging movement, no? There weren't any movement at all. Kaya kung ba parang dahil kasi hindi mo pinaalam yung totoo, no? Hindi mo pinaalam yung totoo do sa tao na yon. Ang nangyari sa relationship is nawala. Parang nag-freeze. Okay? Nag-freeze siya. Walang naging movement, walang naging developments. And ang sinasabi dito, ang kailangan kasi nangyari o ginawa mo, Virgo, is with the Page of Pentacles is to offer, kahit man lang pang maliit na pag-uumpisa, to offer something that is truly solid. Yung coming from you, kasi Pentacles ka no? You're an earth sign. Something na alam mong you can hold, you can see, very tangible, na masasabi mo o ma-offer mo do sa tao na to. Na it could start by saying, person na, this is exactly what I felt for you. Ito yung naramdaman ko talaga para sa'yo. Or, now that meron na akong pagkakataon to say things na, let me explain na ganito yung nangyari. And now, I want you to be in my life. Something talaga na makikita ng person mo na seryoso ka. No, this is a card of saying something serious is being offered or being said dun sa person. And the intention was, of course, to have this change, pagbabago with the Wheel of Fortune. Kasi kung nasabi mo yun, o masasabi mo ito sa person mo, the universe will give you that opportunity para magkaroon na ulit ng another cycle, mabago. No? Kung dati walang movement, but with the Wheel of Fortune, mababago siya. Gagalaw siya. There will, there will be something of a parang positive na result ang lalabas on your favor because you have spoken, because you have expressed yourself. Kahit sabihin natin in a very parang initial or maybe small way dito sa person mo, at least nalaman niya. Kasi ang naging ano mo is, problema mo sa nakaraan nga is yung pagsasabi, communication, pagsasalita, paghahayad ng katotohanan. You know? Now, ang advice sa'yo is, with the Page of Wands, is to give this message. To give this message of passion. No, hindi lang page of providing something solid, but also something very passionate. Okay? So yun yung inaano mo you wanted something to let your person know that if we start all over again, mag-umpisa ulit tayo, then things will be different. Kasi may effort na mag-e-effort na ako. And I will let you know, I would express, because this is once is a energy of action. No? Magbibigay ka na ng, ipapahiwatig o ipapakita mo na physically dun sa tao mo kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman mo. And usually the Wands is all about passion. This is a fire sign. May init, no? May init yung pagmamahal. May init yung movement, yung kilos para do sa tao na yon. And it is something very beautiful, Virgo. Kasi kahit sabihin natin umpisa pa lang o maliit pa lang siya or dahil bagito pa lang, it is okay because everybody starts small. You know, if you tell your person every day or every other day or whatever, kung kailan mo gustong sabihin, that you really love this person, that you like, you appreciate yung ginagawa ng person mo sa'yo. You know, little things, it makes a lot, no, at the end. Yung pagsabi mong yun, malaki yung magiging pagbabago. And maybe I would take this na itong journey mo na to has something to do with your spirituality, okay? Maybe your person that you'll be connecting is something na talagang being blessed by God, kasi andito nga yung Wheel of Fortune. This is from God. No, yung pagbabago na to, hindi naman kasi yan basta lalabas yung card na to kung if it wasn't from God mismo. Okay? Parang sinasabi nga niya dito is, just let the person know exactly what you feel. Be honest. Be honest of what you wanted to say. And let me do the rest. Kaya kung gabay yung journey na to that you'll be heading on, Virgo, is something that is really being guided by God. No? It is destined. Destiny to for you na mangyari. Okay? So, I guess ito lang yung sinasabi sa iyo na para magkaroon ka ng idea, no? If this person is still in your mind, no? Naiisip-isip mo pa rin siya kahit matagal ng panahon, and there's this feeling pa, andun pa yung feeling na yon. The advice is for you to let the person know. Communicate. At paalam mo siya kanya kung ano yung totoong nararamdaman mo. Okay? Now, let us see kung ano yung characteristics ba ng person na to. na nasa isip mo. Diretso ang buhok. So, meron siyang straight hair. Matalino. Mapagmahal. Mahiyain. Pero galante siya. No? Very generous. At slim. Okay? So, this is just to give you an idea kung ano yung physical na itsura ng person. Okay? I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo, Virgo, sa pagbasa na ito. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.